Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today tutorial is related to how to we make a correlation between the LST and NDVI. As you can see, this map is over of LST, so we will represent it from this color, from red to green, okay, and then we represent our NDVI as a in this color view, green to blue. So it's related to the correlation and how to we generate a graph of this correlate with the help of Excel. So let's be started. First I need to showing you this. We use in it the symbology has the standard deviation. Wait, I am going to showing you which will work. Yes, here we go to symbology and here we select a stretch type as a standard deviation. So okay, now we go also for NDVI, because it, as you can see, it more clearly showing where is a high or where is a low. So as you can see, this is the wait a minute, I just inverted it because the vegetation represented by the green color. Now is it's okay, and here also high temperature is red. So now is it good. So let's start it. For it, first we need the create the fishnet. So we simple go to the search tab and type here basically it is a tool name, create fishnet. We use in it in this purpose. I open it. Actually I have a lot of software open it, so that's why it's little slowly work. So I manage it, but I not want to this video going to be long, so inshallah it will work. So for it we give here the output path of our fishnet. So we simple keep, and it's depend on you can save it on the geo database or on simple common folder, but common folder is very rare, so you need to select the geo database. It is a good example, it is a good place to save the data. As you can see, I already find, but now I find as it's with a under root 2. Okay, so I just select it. My system is very hanging. I scared to stop it, so I will be started from starting, but no, it's work. Okay, now here we need some template extend. So I not open its shapefile here, but I have a shapefile location. Here is because this place name as a Multan, it is a district of Pakistan or Punjab province, so we keep it here as a output area. Now more basically thing is here, you need to keep just not need the cell size and the cell height, cell width or cell height. You need to keep here just the row number. We commonly use 50-50 when the area is a very large, so you can use the 100 here. And one more thing you need to change here, this is the type of the geometry is a polygon. Okay, I also give to the output of S. So now I just okay, so it will generate the points on this oval whole area. So we will be clip it with the help of in the next step multi extract point value tool. So this tool will help us to extracting the point as according to our need, as a NDVI, as a LST, then we will be correlated. So sorry for this. Now as you can see, the whole area is covered. Wait, I am going to show you. As you can see, the whole area is covered. Now this point some will be from the outside. As you can see, When I use the second step, there will be you see some values and columns in this attribute. Okay, now here is nothing, so I apply a tool on it. Just go simple to the search tab. Here you can type multi-point value, multi-point value. Search it, maybe is it, yes, its name like extract multi-point value. This one too we will be use extract multi-point value, multi-values to point. Sorry for this correction, because I am very busy nowadays, so that's why I just forgetting the name, but I remember it's very hardly. So now it's okay, so it's open. Now we select here this one, okay, not this one, because it's not showing here, it's showing here. We select it. Now what's raster we want to get the point value? We first want the NDVI, okay. So it will simply no output you can give, because this value will be generated in the attribute table which I is showing to you. So it will, when it process complete, the values will become on the attribute table, but I am going to show you when this process is complete. And let us skip it, but it's okay, it's done, no need to skip, because I not want to increase the video length, because your time is very important for me and for you also. As you can see here, no values will be showing, but I will fix it. I'm showing you how it will be fixed, no problem. And now what we do here, another for the LST extract multi values to point. We also same process repeated for this. Now we give the LST. Previous one we give NDVI, or now it's LST. Okay, so our third step is what? Our third step, first I going to showing you. It's also will be showing the null values. No problem. We just going to simple geoprocessing, and here we will get a tool as name has a clip. So this clip will help us to extracting the values as according to our need. So we here keep this label 1, okay, because we need points, and here we give the clip feature point area. So here we give also the shape file as a Multan, okay, because we need this area. And now I also give it the output place. So here is already 2, so I will just keep it here as a 3, okay. And I going to show you what will be become like after clipping it and the point values. So it is the best and easy method to correlate two data set. Now I just uncheck the other file, and this also, as you can see, all the points come in just our area, no point will be lie to the outside of the map. So I just open, it's maximum the point, and here will be also you get the values. As you can see, this point value will be 999, around to the 1000 points will be generated from this correlation, because it will be start from the 0, so that's why it is a 99, okay. So as you can see from here, now what we do, we simply do to copy this with the extract here from, but we also use a simple method and accurate within the to export this attribute table to the geodata database file. Then we open it on the Excel to perform our final step to make a correlate graph. I just give it the place as the database, because this format will be supported on the Excel. I just keep here as a 1. Okay, so it will be exported. No problem, we not need to showing it here because we want to showing it on the Excel. So I'm simple open the Excel. Excel is opening. Okay, now we watch open. We simple open from here over the data. We just simple go to the file where we save it. It will be saved here. This one. More basically, it is my student work, so that's why I keep the data on its name, and more especially the video for her. So maybe she will learn from it and complete his work. So this one we will be open. The second one, as you can see, it's showing like that. Why it's showing like that? Because we open it on the wrong format. We need to open it on the right format. Okay. Oh, wait a minute, I just select the one, so that's why as you can see, you not need to select one. Okay, so will be only one exported, as I'm going to show you. As you can see, I'm just selected from here one, so this one only exported, not the whole table. It's okay, no problem. I'm just clear it and again export, then whole table will be exported. So you not need to do this mistake. Okay, if you do this mistake, so you will also get a result like that. So simple. Okay, so now again Control O to open the file. And this time the whole table will be here. And what we do simple, we will do simple here is copy all these values and we use it as a graph. As you can see, it's little that time because all the things will be copied according to 999 points when comes. So I will copy it and paste it. Now it's sending. Yes. So I just copy and open to the new font. Yes, and I paste it here. So this one is the NDVI and this one is the LST. Okay. Now I just select. Now I just select here. So as you can see, I select the whole this. Now what I do simple to insert the line graph with a correlate to these two things. As you can see here, just from the wait a minute, it's here come. I just need to do this to remove. As you can see, the graph is not showing in a good view, but we remove the zeros from it. As you can see. So now as you can see, we reduce the point to 2 decimal place, or maybe to the 3 decimal place will be showing good. As you can see here, this will be showing the NDVI, and now we also apply for it. As you can see, just for this this increase like that, so it will be showing this, but it's okay, this one is good. So here is the temperature and the NDVI. So what we do next, something like that, so increase its size. Okay, and also just go to trending line for it. As you can see, the dot one here, linear and linear forecast, the 2 periods and more option here. We also add here the axis title. Here will be what's it will be LST, and here will be the NDVI. Okay, and here will be the LST. So what we do next? We do next here for the trending line and a legend. We simple select here, and one more basic thing for which we make this video. We go to the trending line, more option. Here it will be a logogrammatic, and also wait a minute. So as you can see, it's for linear. Okay, we go here simple to do the display equation, as this one is our equation, or and also for the what's, and also for the here the root r square value. Okay, r square value is here. So we simple keep here the legends, so it will be more basically. Where is the legends? Yes. Okay, so as you can see, we apply this so many times the linear, so we remove this one, and we also remove this one. So we just there are also logistic one, so we simple apply here the trending line as linear. Okay, this will be the linear, and there will be its equation and r square value for this. So I hope this tutorial will help you to making this kind of correlation as compared to the LST and NDVI. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, you need to subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.